In this presentation, I will present Nexim's features in order.
Nexim has three main strengths that simplify entire production sites. Connecting processes with an all-in-one solution. Smart operation designed for ease of use. A system that will not let operators become lost and does not require additional licenses.
First, let's talk about all-in-one connected processes. In Nexim, a series of processes such as changeover, production, data management, and improvement are linked in an all-in-one system. There is no need to go back and forth between individual systems. Work is completed within the same software. This reduces disruptions in the flow of production and keeps the entire site operation running smoothly. In addition, by linking each application, daily operations and improvements proceed within a single structure, creating an environment where the PDCA cycle naturally. Next, let's look at Smart Operation, which is designed for ease of use. Regarding the screen structure, Nexim employs intuitive operation through icons, allowing the user to proceed with the workflow without hesitation. Icons are shown in the order of tasks, so you can see at a glance what needs to be done next. The screen layout is arranged in a natural flow from top to bottom and left to right, making it easy for first-time users to navigate. In addition, part shapes can be selected from image icons, making them easy to understand visually and quick to find.
Finally, I will explain what we mean by no more confusion, no more increase, so easy to use.
Nexim's license is an integrated license, which means it has all the functionality you need and does not require additional licenses, thus reducing cost increases. It has high connectivity and can be flexibly integrated with existing systems. It provides high connectivity and there are no unnecessary costs.
FUJI, innovative spirit.